Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to bring Windows 11 text bar alignment from center to left. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently brought this Windows 11 PC or you might be upgraded from Windows 10 to 11 and you will notice that Windows 11 this taskbar alignment is appear in the center by default and maybe somehow or some cases you want to bring this all alignment from center to left which is looks like kinda Windows 10. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your Windows 11 Start menu and after that you're going to see screen appear just like this. From here you're going to find the settings. Just simply click over in the settings. After click over settings you're going to find the screen appear just like this. From here in the left side you're going to see the personalization. Simply click over there. In the right side, you're going to see there's a bunch of options. Please scroll down and then you're going to find here taskbar. Simply click over on taskbar and then you're going to find here something say taskbar behaviors. After click over taskbar behavior, you're going to find here something say taskbar alignment. Here by default it's in center. If you want to bring it left, you can just choose it and then you're going to find here left. Now you can see immediately my Windows 11 alignment from center is going to left, which is really quite interesting. So within this way, you can easily change alignment in your Windows 11 from center to left in your Windows 11 text bar. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.